free VPN you can use right now, guys. I'll be reviewing it and make sure you guys know how to use the application here like a pro. So make sure you watch full video. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So over here I have the 3 lines of account section. Nothing much for that. You have the settings option here, which pretty much enables you to connect the VPN automatically. Once the VPN application opens, it will connect once I enable that feature, and it will connect to the last saved server if you have enabled this feature, which is the last saved selected server. Also improve connection stability, but it will make your connection takes a bit longer to connect. So do keep that in mind. Also keeping connected, meaning in the background when the screen goes off, the VPN will not disconnect. And those features here, including remove ads, will require a premium or not premium, pro subscription. So do keep that in mind, guys. And here you have the app filtering feature, which pretty much allows whichever application you do want to get a connection and which you don't. So if you want, let's say you don't want the application to get VPN connection, all you gotta do is disable that feature here or swipe this off and you're pretty much good to go. So as the VPN wise, you don't get to select any, or I should say my bad, got tap on this cloud icon here and I can see all the servers, guys. So these are all the servers that are available. You have the 3 free servers, which you can see here. You can see the bars of the servers. Germany is out because they don't got any signal bars there. So that means the server is out or not working. But you can use these other 2 servers. Now down here you might see quite a lot of other servers which you can use. These are just some of the servers available. And as you can see, they have a pro icon or a Chrome icon beside of the server. So it pretty much means we need a subscription to use these servers. Over here you have the streaming server, which entails Netflix, Prime Video, BBC, whatever video and so forth. So these are just some streaming websites and servers. Nothing much. But that's pretty much it. So let's say you want to connect to a specific server, or you just wanted to connect the server for you, can tap on the auto select. Will select the best server for you, which I recommend. But if you just want a specific server, you can go ahead and select it. Let's say United States, and it will connect in no time. This VPN is crazy fast and it's very, very stable, guys. So I do recommend you guys trying it out. Links will be in the description, or you can check out Play Store or App Store in case. But that's it for this application. If I miss anything at all, one thing I forgot is the subscription. You just tap on the crown icon at the top there and you can see the subscription over here and pretty much the prices and what you'll be getting. So nothing much for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.